This is day 3 of the ice storm. It's currently 32 degrees. And Riley, as you can tell, the mighty Australian Shepherd is having a hard time dealing with the snow and the ice. Riley, get him! As I slide. Where's he at, Riley? Where they at? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get him! 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 Where's he at? Where's he at? Look out! Don't slide! Look out! Oh! There he is. See him? Get him! Right there. Get! You better go. You better get him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. He's just looking for food. He's hungry. You gonna get him? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Come on. Get over here. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go in. You ready?
Are you ready? What are you gonna do?
Okay, I'm ready. It's snowing. Let's go. Come on. Let's go inside. No! Come on, let's go. Let's try to go in. Let's go. Come on, go in. Go in. Attaboy. Come on, let's go. It's time to go. Come on. We gotta dry your feet off. Are you ready? Okay. No. Come on, let's go. Let's go in. You gotta pull me in. I can't go uphill. Come on. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go in. Try again. Yeah. Okay, I'll see that.